Hey y'all, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. So we're not gonna do any outfit of the days lookbooks this week. I probably won't do any more videos like that until this whole thing is over. So I'll just be doing a lot of self-care videos, organizing videos, you know, stuff like that. Just something to keep you guys entertained and something to keep myself entertained. So I thought that it would be fun for me to do some organizing. I need to clean out the top of my closet. I have like a lot of boxes in my closet because we don't have a big walk-in closet. So I still keep my shoes in boxes. But I have a lot of shoes that I still need to get rid of. I told y'all on my last video I did get rid of a lot of shoes, but I still have a lot more that I need to get rid of. So let me show y'all what this look like. Don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. Okay, so this is what I have up here. And I usually have them a little neater than this, but because I was pulling the shoes down that I wear, I ended up with this. So here's some of the shoes that I'll be keeping, and I have shoes in this bin down here that I have to get rid of. And that's just my little gym shoe. But yeah, this is the closet. Y'all know that I did my little purging with that maybe like last week or the week before last. So this is what I'm left with. I usually go through my clothes just to clean out the stuff that I don't wear so I can go shopping, but unfortunately with the situation that we're in right now, there's no need for that. So yeah, so that's what I'll be doing today on today's video. Let's get organized. And I also want to organize my makeup drawer. I don't know if I'll add this in today's video or if I will add it to another video later on this week, but let me show y'all how this looks. So this is my makeup drawer, and it is not organized at all. And this was supposed to be my lash drawer, but it ended up being my catch-all drawer. Like when I use my room sprays, I end up throwing it in there, my pillow mist, just everything. So I need to clean both of these drawers out. So hopefully we can get to that today. If not, we'll do it on the next video. All right, y'all. So let's start going through some of these shoes, shall we? Okay, the first pair is a pair of leopard heels, but this is my old pair because something happened to the heel where the heel got bent. I think I had them in my trunk and Tony put something on them, so these will be going in the trash. The next pair, these are super old, so I'll be getting rid of these. I think I'll be pretty much getting rid of everything that's down here, but some of them will actually go in the garbage. I don't know. I mean, I probably can get this heel fixed. But y'all know I just bought a new pair, so maybe I'll just get those fixed. But I'm gonna keep them in the boxes too. So I give these to Tony's cousin. She'll have the box if she wanna. Where is the top to this? All right, next, y'all, these are some of those boots that kind of go around your waist. That kind of look like chaps. See that? It has like the belt. These are super cute, but I only wore these boots probably like twice. I didn't wear them at all last year. I feel like so claustrophobic when I'm wearing these boots. I feel trapped. I don't know, do I want to keep these? What y'all think? I might keep these. I got these from Semi Shoes for about, I think I paid about $70 for them. I bought these probably like 3 years ago. So I think I'm gonna keep these. These are my boots. Y'all know I just recently bought these, so. And I only wore these once, but I just got them, so I'll be keeping these. Oh my gosh, I know what's in this next box, y'all. These shoes are so old. I think I have the receipt in this box still. This was definitely a purchase that I made from watching Instagram. This was many years ago. Are y'all ready to see these shoes? Y'all remember when these was out, and I just hung on to mine. I don't know why. Y'all look at the bottom. I bought these from Ziggy Girl, and I think I paid like 100 and something. I don't know. They were not cheap. It's when they first came out, they were so uncomfortable to walk in. And I don't know what this stuff is right here, but they were so cute to me. And I was hoping they was gonna come back in style, but they never did. So I've had these shoes for so long. Like, it's probably been about 8 years or something crazy like that. So I'll definitely be getting rid of these. They look huge in this box too. Getting rid of those. Oh gosh, this is another pair that's super old. Jessica Simpson. They were so cute back in the day, you know, when everybody was wearing those platformed heels at the bottom. So cute. This is just not my style anymore. And I had so many of these shoes. Y'all remember when these shoes were like really, really popular? Like when Kim Kardashian was wearing them. I had like every color, and the girl that I used to work with, she still was wearing shoes like this. So I gave her a bunch of them, and this was a pair that I was supposed to give her, but I just probably didn't feel like pulling all those shoes down. So I'll be getting rid of these. I don't even know if his cousin's gonna want these shoes. If they don't, then I'll just donate them. Oh my gosh, these boots right here. I never wore these before, y'all. I never wore these before. So cute. It has the fringes in the back. Brand new shoes. I probably had these shoes for about 4 years. Never worn them. They have the toe out right here. Suede. Super cute. Look at that. I don't know, y'all. I might keep these, even though I haven't wore these boots, and I've had these boots for about 4 years. But I don't know if I want to get rid of them, because they're so cute. Let me try them on. What was the reason that I never wore these boots? Let me see. We're going to try these on, y'all, because I don't know if I want to get rid of these, because they're just so cute to me. I don't know why I didn't wear these. It's so cute. Yeah, I don't know if I'm ready to let these go yet, even though, like I said, I have not worn these boots yet, and I've had them forever. I don't know why I haven't worn these. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep these, y'all. Y'all let me know. Should I toss them, or should I give them away, or should I keep them? Like, still in the plastic. Never wore these. I got these from Just Fab, or no, Shoe Dazzle. So I think I'm gonna keep these. So that's 3 pair. These, oh my gosh, these are so ugly. I don't know what I was thinking. I mean, they're not so ugly, and I have worn these a couple of times, but look at this. And I had the heels like this too, but I been gave those away. I gave those away a long time ago. I mean, they don't look that bad, but it's just not my style. So I'm gonna give these away. I think I bought these from, oh yeah, these were from Shoe Dazzle too. So I can zip this. Okay. So these will be going back. It's just not my style anymore, y'all. I can tell y'all one thing, Tony is gonna be so excited that I'm getting rid of this stuff. Cause it's just sitting in the top of our closet. Where's the top to that box? I don't know. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. This says Charlotte Russe. Oh, there's a lot of dust. It's another one of those shoes with the platform at the bottom. And it had like the strap around the ankle. Jagger, call it Bojang. Okay. These were really cute. I only wore these a few times. Really cute little blush pink color. We're definitely getting rid of those. What's next? This says Just Fab. Look, y'all. These are cute. Let me see. Y'all, here's these shoes. No, sis. Like, where am I going with these on? Let me look at me. Oh, girl. What y'all think? Cute. No, ma'am. These shoes so old. Alright. We'll be giving those away. These are definitely not the boxes for these shoes because I remember these shoes that's on this box that I loved. I ended up throwing those out. Oh, these are so pretty, y'all. Look. So cute. But I don't wear these. I haven't wore these shoes in like probably 2 years. But you know how like you have those shoes that you just cannot get rid of. This was one of the pairs that I just couldn't get rid of because they were so cute. And I only wore them a few times. They're so cute. Look at that. Get rid of those. Oh, now these are cute. I never wore these before. Look at these. That's a strap. It has a little platform at the bottom. Somebody will be happy with them. Those out here. Oh, these are some of my little clear shoes from back in the day. I remember when these was out. These are really old. I bought these from, where did I get these from? Because it just says, the box just says bamboo. I wore these a lot. I got something on the bottom, but they're not, I mean, they're coming back in style, but I don't like this heel. Yeah, we're gonna let those go. We're gonna let those go. I think Shein and Pretty Little Things have some shoes like that, I think. You know, everything. Oh, I remember these. Y'all can tell I love snake skin. I've been loving snake skin for a very long time. Look at these, y'all. Oh, these are so cute. It's just a boot. And it has the brown and green snakes and cream snake skin print. They're cute. Those are these are Michael Antonio. What else? Oh, these are some more little black strappy heels. They look like the ones that went up my leg, but they're just like the regular heel. I got these from Charlotte Russe. So we'll send those off too. So I won't be wearing those. Oh, okay, next. More of the platformed heels. Cheetah print. Very nice. These are Steve Madden. These are super old. Matter of fact, I have the receipt in here. Okay, let's see the date. Can I find the date? Whatever this was, on this day when I went shopping, I spent $707. That's not how much from 2017. Some more receipts. What's this? Yeah, so those will be going away. Purple ones. These are not the purple ones that I was telling y'all about, but these are the ones that have like the platform at the bottom. I got these from Just Fab. I bought these in the cream, the orange, the purple, and the black. These are so pretty. I love this purple. This is my favorite color, purple. And the shoes that I showed y'all the other day that's in this style is the same color. It's the same color purple. These were so cute back then when, you know, everybody was wearing them. And this is, oh, well, it says Jessica Simpson, but I guess it was one of those other boxes. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, y'all.